Rinai as the lower garment, Risa as the upper garment. Man wears dhoti or dhoti. Kutai or kamsli, that is the kamsli borok. Put your hands together for the Devarmas. Now comes the Jamaatiyas. Jamaatiya is another Tripuri group having distinct features. Man wears dhoti, also like any other Tripuris, the dhoti borok. And women folks mostly wear their own swords, which are beautifully designed. They use different bumos that is designed in the garment. Along their garment, the Rinai borok.
দাদা ও দাদা ক্যামেরার সামনে এবার তুমি
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Jamaatiya. Now comes the Nuatia. I'm sorry, the Tripuras. Tripuras also has the same traditional attire that most of the Tripuras have. They have the dhoti borok for the men and kutai or kamsli, and also risa on the head and a polo that is used for hunting during the troop cultivation. The lady with a violet used to clean and pull away the particles from the grains. Rignai is a lower garment with black and a red patch on it.
Tumay ka na.
Bekerang sana keteng pam berai bekerang subui kelamani ikok no kecari bisi wawaisya pai pinai hinai kusuka saya pungka hajak satu nugayani tini kakutu koto matai saya sawana nana kanana di hinung batu tiyo kenaya hao kenaya tiyo aketang peti tuang ni tangi bosok kiri sawi tiang kekiri untuk mati pasau kelaka kubang ma kotoma orono mana eru tu gina kai
and they use loincloths to wrap around their waist, which is called Gamsachak Borok, while the upper garment is called Jumchale, and the turban is called Rikrak. The woman also uses the Rignai to cover the lower part of the body, and the Risa for the upper part of the body.
เฮ้ยเฮ้ยฮะ
কত মাথায় চা সামনে নন খানা না
Amlen sắp sửa cơ.
Tiyo kenaya ho kenaya tiyo aku tang perti Jatuang ni tangi bosok kere sawo jaman gegere Ojo kasih hapung kahor jak satu nogayani tini kakutu Koto matai cha sawana nono kanana
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Noatia. Now comes the Koloi. The Koloi woman wears the Rignai Borok, which has broad white stripes horizontal in the edges. The Risa is used as a blouse, while the man wears dhoti called Putri and Gamsa as a shirt. Right side orthodox made of coins, mala, which is a simple black thing. That is
Oh, mantap kamu tuh. Ini yang kamera kasih kalian.
Bibi no takugo, jobi ton mani. Nuai ni thani, bekerang sana, keteng pam berai, bekerang subui, kelamani.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.
Bisi waisya,
The Riyang that are coming right in front of you. The traditional dress and attires of the Riyang are all simple like the other Tripura and do not differ much from them. The Riyang men wear a loincloth mostly and women and a piece of cloth and shirt for the upper portion of the body. They also wear pagri like any other Indian tribe. The women wear a long piece of cloth for the lower part of the body known as ringnai, and they love to wear a lot of coins as
다다 어이 어이 다다.
The Mizzos. The Lusai woman wears one thing for the lower garment, along with Gorchi and Flowers, like shirt
머리 힘 되냐?
and Bashiriya, which is a crown. The man wears a cotton shirt It is a pant. And the lower portion to be covered with whatnot. The man that wears the middle or the side. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Mizzos. Now come the ball. The woman clothes worn by the mob woman is to cover the lower part of the body is called tapuri. The D is the blouse. The man wears what is called lugi for the lower covering, and the button with his shirt. They also wear gongong with his the umbrella that they carry along may also look alike the Chinese tradition. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the ball. Now comes the front. The Ranko woman wear pondam with it wrapped around from the waist till the knee or bang, and Lusa with his up blouse like for the up covering. The man wear dhoti along with one cocksplit and lukko, which is a tub necklace made of coins called sumruis, worn by the women. They also use cocoa pine thorn to adorn the hair. Hair comb or anklet is a common ornament for both the men and women. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the front court. And now, the last but not the least, comes the Barasi. Every adult male wears a piece of cloth around their waist and occasionally wear a shirt on the upper part of the body whenever they go out of the house. Which is the distance that they do not usually wear shirts around the